Windows 8 Metro-style applications can be started in many different ways. Up to 12 have been enumerated so far. An app developer is supposed to handle all these scenarios. Take the first case, where a user launches the application by clicking on the application title. That's the first way. The second is when a user searches or a Windows Metro style app declares themselves as a search provider. The third is when an app says that it's available as a share target for certain kinds of data, obviously. Then from any other app, you can bring up the charms bar and share that. The fourth is when a Metro style app declares that I'm going to be the handler for certain kinds of file types. So a Metro style app basically says that I'm the handler for a particular file type when the user clicks a particular file type. In a similar vein, Metro style apps can declare themselves to be handlers for protocols as well. For example, an app can register itself as a handler for a custom protocol called Crux in this case. And if any app navigates to that URL beginning with Crux, the app gets activated with the URL passed to it. The other very common scenario is where a Windows Metro style app can declare itself to be a source and or a destination for content. So other apps would appear to save files to or open files from such an app. The app would pull or push the actual files from cloud storage as necessary. So the app would respond or get activated when another app tries to open the kind of files that it provides content management for and chooses it at the source. Similarly, saving an app can be activated when another app saves a file which was opened from it. So a cached file of data as well. In addition to this, an app can register itself as a source for something which is very common on most systems today, a source for contacts. Thus, when any other app requires a particular contact or contacts and uses the system contact picker, such apps can be activated, or rather get activated. Another scenario is where the application handles devices which are added to the system or handles autoplay. Two more areas where apps can get activated is, for example, an application can register itself and says that it handles print tasks. That's another way for the application to get activated. The last is where the application captures photos or videos from an attached camera, so camera settings. So in all, these are the 12 ways in which a Windows 8 application can get invoked or started when the user launches, searches, or acts as a share target, or as a file handler or a protocol handler, or provides content or allows content to be saved, or contacts, as well as handling autoplay, and finally print and camera settings.